Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be at my house and working on changing some tires over for the Jeep. So it's hotter than a motherfucker out here too. I swear it's like 100 degrees. But yeah. So we're about to see the tires. Whoosh. Tar. That's the old tire. Got tractor tires. Yeah, these are AG tires for farm use.
I don't think they go on I think they go on
or like a
equipment.
Yeah, could be like a skid steer too. We don't need you no more. Freaking loud ass air compressor. So now, yeah, I'm just gonna wash them and get all the rims looking good.
Get that red paint off.
Get the red paint off. But I gotta say 10 out of 10 for this fucking $40
Harbor Freight machine?
Harbor Freight tire changing machine. Cause I'm not sure how it's gonna work on like bigger tires, but it would break the beads on these ones like it was nothing. And then the tire stick, or not the tire stick, but the tire spoon, I was able to get this hard ass tire on the rim, and nothing's bent, nothing's broken. This part right here, it could have been trimmed down a little from the factory, but that's Harbor Freight for you. Other than that, yeah, that motherfucker worked good. Way better than I thought. So you gotta think, this thing costs $40. It would have cost $50 to get all 4 of these mounted at a tire shop. And then they would have gave me a hard time. Because they've been like, well, I can't really mount them tractor tires on them road wheels, boy. You know, that ain't right. It's fucking a bunch of weird shit. But anyway, peace out, Boy Scout. So you don't jack shit up on the sand. Sketch. But you gotta do it fast. You're going to. When you drop lug nuts, make sure you drop them right next to the fucking jack. So when it falls, your fingers are attacked. I think I'm gonna take a grinder and fucking grind that up the lip of that hub or something. These are only going on like two, 3 turns, which I mean is cool because I don't give a fuck. But it would not be cool when we're out in the mud hole. The tire falls off. That would not be cool. No matter how much I want it to be. Hey boy! Drake!
What are you doing? You want to go inside? Come on. Say something to the camera. Thank you.
3 out of 4 wheels on. This side over here, I'm just not even gonna deal with because that's all the way. It's all the way on the ground almost. The jack sand's fucking sunk in the dirt. This tire over here, I'm not sure if it's because all the extra weight on it from the front end. This one looks like it's low on air, but that's not a problem. I'll air it up. But other than that, these mother truckers look mean on here, boy. I'll tell you what. This is that motivation that I needed to get this fucking thing going. 'Cause I cannot wait to make videos about this fucking thing crawling through freaking mud holes and going on trail rides at bogs and boulders and Mobile Swamp. Here's what the inside looks like. Don't look too bad. We got one leather seat with a big old rip in it. We got one cloth seat. I got a bunch of sticky sound insulator stuff that I put in here when I was like 16. Because I got a brand new carpet kit. So I bought this truck when I was 16 years old. And it was going to be my first truck, and then it was going to be like my daily driver, so I wanted this thing nice as could be. So I spent my little paychecks that I was working at this restaurant with, Bayou Joe's down here. I bought me a carpet kit. I put the back of it in, and I kept the front out, so I was going to put the front in when it was time, and everything was done, right? Well, life caught up, and yeah, a bunch of shit went down. It's been sitting in my backyard, my parents' backyard ever since. I moved out like 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago almost. I moved out and moved in to be a roommate at somebody's house. And then, like I was talking about earlier in the video, Hurricane Michael, the category 5, that just came by and fucked everybody. And said, fuck you guys live in Florida, sorry. But, yeah. Came by, they knocked that tree over. There's a big oak tree right here. This one went into their house, and some of it went in our house. You can see on their roof that whoever fixed their roof did a shitty job too, because they only did some of it.